All right, it is Saturday and it's warming up already. It's about 10:30 and it's starting to get humid out. Sun's out. Today we're going to head up to the apartment here a little bit, check out the progress of the apartment. It'll almost be a week, so I'm interested to see, you know, what's all been done. Like I said, those guys were moving. They were moving along at a great rate. So we're going to head up there and check that out. Here's old Liberty today. Liberty is chilling in the heat. She'll be conked out soon, resting. When it gets hot, that's all she wants to do is sleep. So, and of course, we got Justice over here. Justice is already conked out, sleeping. And then we got, oh, let's see. What else are we doing today? I'm not sure. First things first, we got to head over to the apartment, check it out, and check out the progress. And I'll show you the progress of the apartment. All right, we are back at the apartment. Like I said, it's Saturday, and we'll do a little stroll through the apartment and show you the progress of it. I'm actually using the GoPro on it so you can see a little bit better, a little wider view. Standing in the carport area, you can see they started painting out here. New door already on. New door, new locks. They'll get the screen door on here. Painted up the living room area. There's the workers.
Say hello.
Say hello. It's break time, they told me. You got to take a break. There's some of the doors that are going in. There's going to be a screen door here, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Screen door still got to go on. But world of difference here. Walls are all painted. The holes are all cleaned up and plugged. Bathroom. What's that? Finished?
No.
No, not finished. Yeah, not finished. Can't see too well. It's not finished. They still got to finish that up. The bathroom, the dirty kitchen still needs painted. Now they got the paint down here, so they're working on it right now. There's the wash area. That's just a nice big wash area. I could throw a little kiddie pool in there if I want. And of course, back area still needs to be painted. They haven't painted that yet. So there's that exhaust fan I was saying about. It's hot here. Turn the exhaust fan on. Painted the shelves. Take a stroll upstairs and check the upstairs. Yeah, it looks really nice. These guys are doing a good job. There's a cable line right there. And somebody asked, how would we replace that light bulb? Well, when the time comes, we'll replace it. I got some nice big ladder. Oh yeah, bedroom, new doors, wood doors, solid doors, all new locks. Here's the bedroom, the master bedroom. There's lit. Oh, they'll put handles on there. You're gonna put all new screening, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Still got to get the screen on the windows. But yeah, you stain these doors?
Yes.
Yeah, they're gonna paint the doors. So, but yeah, all new locks. Balcony area. I don't know. Almost looks like
Butterfly.
That's a butterfly nest?
Yes. You remove the dolls.
I said that's a butterfly nest. Huh. Almost looks like a wasp nest, like a mud dauber I used to call them back in the States. Yeah, here's the balcony area, all cleaned up. But yeah, it's definitely 100 times better. They got smoke detectors in here. I'm gonna have to check them. And right here, the smoke detector. There's one up there. There's some downstairs too. I'll have to check them. And here is the other room. Somebody asked me, why did I call it the spare room if it's Hannah Grace's room? So here is Hannah Grace's room. Yeah. So, what do you think, Lit?
Huh?
How's it coming along?
It's good.
Looks good, huh? Everything looks good. So.
Well, it takes time to fix.
Yeah, it takes time. They should be done, you'll be done when? Finished in 3 days? 4 days?
For this
4 days.
5 or 4 like that.
5/4.
Yes.
So next week. Okay.
Next week, sir.
All right. What about, well, the bathroom still needs a door on it, and
Not finished pa, sir.
yeah, they're gonna hook all that up. So, anyways, there it is. There's the update on the apartment. All right, guys, we are in a clothing outlet store. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's like a clothing outlet store. Let me to grab a few things, but figured I'd show you inside the store. You know, clothing, and I'll show you some of the prices on some of the clothing here. I mean, t-shirts. I would buy stuff here. Of course, you got Adidas knockoff, Nike knockoffs. Actually lightweight. What do they want for these? I don't see a price. Tag but no price. Let me see. Yeah, tag but no price. So, but I would definitely buy some of these clothes. Why not? T-shirts and shorts and dresses for the women. Got a lot of these stores like this all over. Gotta just, this one's upstairs right off of MacArthur. Hello. Work pants, dress pants, jeans, more t-shirts. Cheaper than going to the mall. Here's some shorts. Actually, I need to get me some shorts. Problem is trying to find shorts that fit me. A lot of times if you got to go one size larger than what you actually are here in the Philippines. I don't really have a problem. Bigger guys have problems trying to find the clothes that'll fit them. Everybody's looking at me, I'm talking to myself. But yeah, women's clothes, dresses. I don't know where Lit is. She's somewhere around. Got dress clothes. I don't know. Underwears. Makeup, sunglasses, hairbrushes, kitchen stuff, hats, umbrellas, kids clothing right now. Somebody asked about suspenders one time. I got suspenders. Hello, how are you? Girls are wearing sale shirts. They even got kids like baby clothes here. So now we just gotta find the Lit. Hello. Yeah, they got everything here. All right, so here is the place I was just in. Nice Look Sales Center. That's the place right there. They have a side entrance right here. Entrance, nice look, it's right there. They even have some of their stuff outside here. But if you're wondering where it's at, location-wise, right there is the McDonald's that you turn down to go down to our store and the Manson Drug. And then you have Wilcon Depot, which is across the street. So yeah, this place is located right across the street from the McDonald's. Nice Look Sales Center. There's a bunch of places like this all up and down the road. It's just pick one, go in, and find what you want. A lot of times you find the same thing in most of the stores. It's just a matter of finding and shopping in the one that you just went to. Check this place out. It's right next door. A lot of lights, neon lights, a lot of chandeliers. That's pretty nice. Chandeliers here. Obviously, it's a lighting place with lots of chandeliers. Very nice. It's the colored lights that brought me in.
11 pieces lang po. Yung ano, nasa warehouse, tapos ito na nasa warehouse.
Very nice. That's cool looking.
Papadeliver rin yung darating ngayon.
Nice chairs. Very nice chair.
Mga pick up nila. Tapos, yes ma'am.
We just had a subscriber and his family stop by, and they dropped off licorice. And look, have you ever had that licorice?
No, but that's ew.
It says, "Ew, it's like a
Remember
worm."
that this is not ew, but the design was like ew.
Like a worm.
Ew.
You like the licorice, Hannah Grace? Yeah.
I just don't like it.
There's Sheila.
Yummy.
She's got her licorice. And yes, she's still single and ready to mingle.
Yeah, you're right.
Well, yeah, we just had a subscriber and his family stop by and drop these off. So, thank you very much for the candy. You can't touch it, you gotta use your
Don't
mouth and your
touch it.
teeth.
You touch it, you lost.
It's like eating a piece of spaghetti.
Don't touch it, you touch it, you lost. Oh, you lost. Don't touch it, I said don't touch it. Don't touch it, you lost.
You gotta use your teeth and your mouth
don't
and your
touch
tongue.
It. You gotta lost. There you go. Almost there.
Almost there.
You can do it. You can do it. Almost there.
What's afraid of it?
Just go.
It's shoestring licorice is what we called it back home. And it's strawberry flavored. Alright, do it, pal.
Okay. I just go po. I need to close my eyes. Don't touch it.
And you can't like slurp it because it's got like a coat of wax on it. So you can't slurp it, you gotta use your teeth and your tongue and your lips. Almost. Another 2 feet left.
Okay.
Don't touch it, almost there. Almost. About a foot left.
Wala, talo ka pa na nalusip. Oh, sayang daw.
Anna Grace touched it. It scared her. Oh man. The things we do to entertain ourselves.
I'm so scared.
So you know what? Lut is afraid of worms. Let me tell you a little story. When she came to the United States, I was at work and I came home and I noticed the grass was burnt. Like there was an area in the grass in the yard where it was burnt. And I asked her, so what happened there? I said, why is the grass burnt? And she said, well, there were worms there in the grass. She goes, and I don't like worms, so I burned the grass to get rid of the worms. So when she was eating that, I'm sure it's all she could think about was worms. And then when Hannah Grace touched it, it scared her. So, but yeah, we will find ways to entertain ourselves here for sure. All right, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I gotta take a look back into the hood, deep in the hood, to go to the, what's that place?
Huh?
What's the place we gotta go?
Look it.
It's a mini grocery store here, but it's deep back in the hood. And just gotta get some Coke. We're out of Coke, and what else? Coke? Oh, some Milo. She just needs to pick up a few things. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Tomorrow's another day, and tomorrow the journey continues. If you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Give me some thumbs up and thumbs down. Choice is yours. Leave the comments. I read every comment. And I guess until tomorrow. Right, look, tomorrow.
Yes, until tomorrow.